In this video, I will show how to fix MSVCP140 and VCRUNTIME140 missing problem. So to resolve this problem, firstly open any web browser. So open any web browser, then search Microsoft Visual C++ 2015. Now open this official link. Now here click on this download button. Now download as 64 or 32-bit as your system. To check your system type, click on Start, Settings. Here guys, click on About. So here you can find out information about your system type. In my case, it's a 64-bit operating system. So select that one, then click on Next. Now wait for a few seconds. Now download and now double click on this setup file. Check this box. Install.